We're going to tape for the Quervain's Tenosynovitis, which is thumb pain due to the tendon or the sheath here being irritated. Very common with new parents because when you go to pick up your baby, you stick your thumbs under the armpits. It does put a bit of a stretch through there, can irritate you through there. Okay, so we're going to use some kinesiology tape. So I've cut it so it's about the length of my thumb to past my wrist, and that's an ideal length for you. So where the tendon goes, it goes from the tip of the thumb all the way down into the forearm right there. If you tense up against it, you can see the muscles just coming through. So this tape is just going to act like another layer of muscle. It's going to take pressure off the thumb and it's going to help you feel a little bit better. So you're going to leave about 1 inch at the top without any tension, and you're just going to wrap this one around the thumb. If you find that the thumb is too small, you can trim it so it's a little bit less tension there. We're going to leave a little bit of 1 inch at the end, okay? And the hard part is you want to extend the thumb as much as you can. Actually, anatomically, you'd be abducting the thumb, but straighten out the thumb as much as you can just to shorten that tendon so the tape does a little bit extra. Holding down the thumb with your other finger, you're going to pull it and let it rest on the forearm, making sure that tape is nice and down. And then trying to leave about 1 inch at the end without any tension. So just in this position so far, you should feel like it's pulling your thumb back a little bit. That means it's actually working. So usually if you are working, your hands are gonna get wet, the tape's gonna come off. So with a little bit of tape, if you've got the kinesiology, use it. If not, I've got rigid tape here. You're going to hook it down around the wrist, like that. And you're going to hold it down around the thumb just so it doesn't move. And that's how you tape for the Quervain's Tenosynovitis. Click here if you want to see the last video we posted. It's good stuff. All right, we'll see you guys next time.